Here's the number one reason why you want Central Auto Body to fix your car. I mean, there's a lot of places to go, but I don't know of any other shop in town that the owner would be physically painting cars himself. When we have 5 locations, I'll do whatever it takes to get the cars back to people when they need them. Last day of the month, it's a Friday. I'm down here grinding out with the guys. There's many other reasons besides we have one of the highest rated shops in Portland as far as online reviews, 80, 70, 100, 5-star Yelp reviews, Google reviews, Facebook reviews. You're not going to find anything negative about us. But if you get in an accident, I hope you remember that's what we do. We fix cars at the highest level. Like our Facebook page. That's where we post a lot of content teaching people how we fix cars, or maybe they know somebody who wants to do the same thing we do. I'm not trying to hide any secrets. I want to get people involved and get them in the industry.